Mr. Couch.
That would be my father.
Jason.
Yes, sir.
I got a present for you.
A present for me?
Yeah. I don't know if you have one yet, but a guy in St. Louis gifted us a bunch of packs of cards when we pulled yours,
cool.
and I told myself I'd give one to all the guys I find in the pack. So
Shirt almost matches.
maybe it's good luck today.
Good luck today.
Bowl well.
Thank you, sir.
You want me to grab one? I'll grab the big boy.
I got it. I'm a grown man.
I'm a big boy now.
How many movies are you guys making?
This is the trilogy.
And counting.
What do you have? Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll let you.
Thank you.
I didn't want to get in the middle of all your madness yesterday.
No.
Get in the mix.
Be in the madness.
Oh, what about that Black Widow? The Dynasty in that bag? Maybe?
Yeah, Dynasty in that bag. Second or stealth mode.
You have 2 stealth modes?
Of course.
I have none. And you have one at home? Oh!
What's your favorite ball that they don't make anymore?
My favorite ball that they don't make anymore?
That was DQ.
This is wild. Melee cross.
Really?
Yeah, the teal ball was probably one of my, it was the first ball that I really had like a lot of success with on sports shots just because it was so smooth and I was a bad bowler and didn't have
you kill like Kansas City tournaments with those, that ball?
melee cross, melee jab. The melee series was probably my favorite series of bowling ball. What was your favorite series of bowling ball that they don't make
And he took a
anymore?
lot of money from bowlers in Wichita.
No, they took my money, then I left Wichita to go take other people's money. What's your favorite series of bowling ball that they don't make anymore?
Favorite series of bowling balls?
Yeah, I said like the melee series was for sure my favorite.
Ooh.
Or just one ball that you could bring back from the dead.
Oh, one ball I can bring back from the dead? The original lock.
You bowled sick with that ball back in the day.
That ball was.
Now motive ball for political answers.
For political answers. Listen, I've been on every staff, so.
That's fair, that's fair.
Yeah. A motive ball that, Venom Recoil.
Yeah, that ball was sick.
I mean, it just recently went away, but
Yeah.
R.I.P.
Do you have any in the storage?
I still have like 4 or 5 undrilled.
Yeah.
Just waiting. I brought one out for the U.S. Open and the Masters,
Yeah.
and it was a happy day.
A lot of guys don't realize, or I guess a lot of people back home probably don't realize, like a lot of these guys, when these balls get discontinued and it's one of their favorite balls, they stash them. They grab a case box or 2 and leave them in the storage unit for a rainy day.
A series of balls to bring back from the dead.
A series of balls you could bring back from the dead, Michelle.
You know what's a sick series actually?
What?
The Rotogrip Planet series.
I've never even heard. He said the Rotogrip Planet series?
Planets.
Yeah, like the Mars, the Neptune, Saturn, like all those. That was a cool. That was a cool like collection of balls.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Really?
I feel like you're just spitting,
Did any of them
blowing
roll
smoke up my
good?
ass.
Yeah, a few of them did. My first 800 was with a Rotogrip Mars.
The more you know.
I don't know.
I just
It was
assumed
cool
that
when
you.
they have like a collection of balls. It's like all the planets.
Fire, and no one liked that
The
ball.
Rain of Fire?
The Rain of
The
Fire.
red one? That was gross.
Yeah.
That was gross.
He was chewing up the oil.
My first 800 was with a Brunswick Slingshot.
I thought it was a Frantic.
The Frantic was my first 800. The Slingshot was my first 300.
How do I know that better than you do? How do I know that better than you do?
You're my long lost brother. Mitch, was this you slinging that wood around, chipping up these pins?
Shot in
Oh, dude, that was that one messenger cam through yesterday.
this one right here, chipped a pin.
I want to give a huge shout out to Warby Parker for sponsoring today's video and hooking me up with a brand new pair of frames from their Sport Frames collection. They're built for movement, they're not super bulky, so they're built not only for when I'm driving in the car, but maybe also when I'm out working out outside, going for a run, or even in the bowling alley bowling. And just got to avoid some of that glare on the lanes like Pete Weber used to. They're made with Italian-made nylon, which makes them super lightweight and extra comfortable to sit on my face all day long. These are engineered for performance, but designed for style, so I can wear them on the golf course or even just around town all day. Prescription glasses start at $95. So not only is the price great, but they also have scratch resistant and anti-glare lenses. On top of that, you can also use your FSA or HSA card and your vision insurance. So check out the Warby Parker Sport Frame collection. Click the link in the description or the QR code right on the screen here. They offer free shipping and a free 30-day return policy. One of the coolest things is about Warby Parker, they have a buy a pair, give a pair program to help those without the access to vision care get some vision care. So click that link in the description, get yourself a pair of sport frames or any of the other glasses on their website. Let's get back in the video so I can strike like Pete Weber did.
Look, if you were to choose an animal, what animal would you be? Maybe a chameleon?
No. Be like an orange cat.
An orange cat?
Yeah.
You'd be Deuce. Is it the purple one?
What?
Is that the purple ball?
No.
What is that?
Black.
Okay. So we just watched the PBA 50 actually bulls before the guys, so we watched a little bit of their practice session. Jack Jurek, Jason Couch, and Bill Rowe. Good luck to all of them. They bowl an hour before Boog goes on TV, which just awesome to see, you know, the older generation of bowlers coming back out, getting some TV time. Guys we used to watch on TV growing up. The Couches, all of them. I mean, I can't tell you how many Jason Couch highlights I've seen on TV and watched over the years. So cool to see those guys back on TV in a super cool format with the World Series paired up. Hopefully they keep doing it in the future. But now we gotta watch Boog warm up and practice before dropping my parents back off at the airport and then heading back to watch Boog Bowl on the show. So right now, practice warming up, and then he should be getting on that TV pair in about half hour. And if you guys don't know who that is, that's Dylan. He works on the truck. He drills a lot of our balls. Dylan, Don, Sully, Jason Pavlenko, all the guys there. Yeah, I made one. It's like on the line. How we feeling?
Good. Just don't know what to expect over there. What's gonna look good? What's not gonna look good?
Don't look to expect anything. See what's out there? See what's out there?
What?
Big brain.
Big brain.
Big brain. Not it. Not yet. Which one was that? The left side's so easy. I thought you already maxed the account. But that's when you said it really starts. The fun actually starts.
Yeah, bro, you caught me.
Pre-show RuneScaping. Now he's gonna pretend to practice. What the?
I know.
Mitch, you just gotta lock in and get in the zone. For some of us, that's RuneScape. See? It helps you lock in.
I'm gonna throw a shot on the set, sit back on my chair, whip it out. RuneScape.
Yeah, don't be saying just whip. What's your strike song today?
Oh, shiny.
That's Simo's for sure. What's your strike song today?
Swag surfing.
Swag surfing.
And A Millie by Lil Wayne as well.
Okay.
We're Going the Distance by
Cake.
Cake. And Party Forever from our boy Kev.
He's always with us. Sometimes in spirit, sometimes in song.
I'm about to play the furthest ride I've ever played on television.
Is that yours?
That is mine.
That thing is shiny.
I know.
Check the hair out. It's like a mirror.
He's not me.
He tried though. He's got the shiny urethane out.
I did.
He's trying. Chance. It was nice while it lasted.
University of Minnesota bowling team. Check out the Instagram page, U of M Bowling. We just started it this last year, and we're trying to get support and get funding from the university. So if you guys want to check out the Instagram page and help support, that'd be awesome. But I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
I've been out here 10 years. I've never made a show when Jack's made a show. Jack needs strike, 9 out to win. He just balked. He's nervous.
Right now we're on the set. He's watching Riley and Kyle bowl. That way he can see how they're setting the pair up, how they're breaking them down, see where he might need to play based off of that. He's on the set watching their 5 minutes, and then he's got another half hour to warm up before their set. What are they doing out there?
Everyone's throwing a red ball. Means I'm throwing a black ball.
Step a little left of them, throw the black one.
Yeah.
T minus 5 minutes. Ready?
Staying hydrated.
You got that neuro gun or what? Boog's got this match locked up. It's just a matter of, I'm gonna watch. Boog's got this match locked up here in the 7th frame, so you can try a couple things. He's probably gonna throw a couple more shots with the urethane before to see what happens back half.
right, Dio. Good one here.
Step one, check.
Check.
He's throwing it good.
We gotta have a big back half.
Yeah.
Come on, Jay. Good one here.